You ever wonder why some people seem to win at life while you re-stuck hitting snooze for the fifth time? Let me be brutally honest. It's not luck. It's not IQ. It's habits. And not those fake morning routine habits influencers flex on TikTok while sipping overpriced coffee. I'm talking about real, battle-tested habits that actually rewire how your brain works and make you dangerous in a good way. So here's the truth. If you master these 7, you'll stop being the victim of your own procrastination and start being the kind of person people quietly hate because that actually got your life together. Let's start. Habit 1. Be proactive. Most people wait for motivation to strike, like it's Amazon Prime delivery. Guess what? It's not coming. Successful people don't wait for the mood to act, they act, and then the mood follows. Stop reacting to everything like life's one big notification. You're not a robot. You're the one holding the remote. Next, begin with the end in mind. You scroll mindlessly because you don't know what you're even building toward. You wake up, do random things, and expect meaning to magically appear. Newsflash, it won't. You need a clear why. Write down your endgame, career, body, mindset, whatever it is, and then reverse engineer it. Because if you don't design your life, someone else will. Third, put first things first. You think you're busy? Nah, you're just distracted. Being busy is a scam. Real productivity isn't about doing more, it's about doing what matters. Covey calls this the important over the urgent. Stop checking emails like they're oxygen. Focus on the stuff that moves the needle, not the stuff that makes you feel productive. Fourth, think win-win. This isn't a Disney slogan. It's strategy. Stop treating life like a competition where someone else has to lose for you to win. High performers collaborate, they build alliances instead of rivalries. The world doesn't reward lone wolves, it rewards packs. Be the person people want on their team, not the one everyone avoids. Fifth, seek first to understand, then to be understood. Yeah, I get it, you love being right. But here's the twist. Listening actually wins more arguments than talking. Most people don't listen, they reload. Be different. When you understand before you speak, you gain leverage, empathy, and respect. That's real power. Sixth, synergize. Translation? Stop trying to do everything solo like some startup superhero. 2 smart people working together will always crush one genius trying to do it all. Combine strengths, cover weaknesses, multiply results. That's how you turn good ideas into revolutions. And finally, sharpen the saw. You're not tired because you work too hard. You're tired because you never recharge properly. Sleep isn't a luxury. It's strategy. Your body, mind, and spirit are your tools. If you don't sharpen them, they dull. Take care of yourself like you're a $1 million machine because you are. So here's the deal. These habits aren't fluff. They're the blueprint. You can either keep scrolling motivational clips and pretend that's progress, or you can pick one habit today and actually live it. Because if you want to stop being busy and start being effective, it's not about changing everything overnight. It's about changing something right now. Now stop watching and go fix your life. And now, before you scroll away pretending this didn't hit you, pause. Take a second and breathe this in. Everything we just talked about isn't theory. It's transformation waiting to happen. You now know the blueprint. Be proactive, know your end game, prioritize what matters, think win-win, actually listen, work with others, and sharpen yourself daily. This is the stuff that separates people who talk about change from the ones who live it. So here's what I want you to do right now. Go down to the comments and write your personal confession. Tell us what hit you the hardest. Tell us what habit you're starting today. Tell us what you've already done to turn things around. Your words might be the exact message someone else needs to hear at 3 a.m. when they're on the edge of giving up. Then don't stop there. Share this video with at least 10 people. 10 people who need that push, that reminder, that little slap of truth. Because when you share this, it's not just content moving across the internet, it's knowledge being passed forward, energy being transferred, lives being shifted. You're helping build a ripple effect of awareness that could reach thousands who may never hear this message otherwise. Do it with urgency. Do it with purpose. Because this right here is how change spreads, one decision, one share, one act of responsibility at a time. So write your truth, spread the word, and let's make effectiveness contagious.